Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in case you're new here, please feel at home. My name is Daniel, and feel free, in case you've not subscribed, please hit the subscription button down there. So today I am going to do a video on fridge organization. This is my fridge, second-hand fridge. You guys, my last video that I did, it was about the dressing table, vanity. So I told you guys that it was a second hand, and I had already done a video where I got my second hand. So you know, if something is second hand, most likely you cannot get the same exact thing as that one. So even this one I got a second hand, yes, at 10,000 Kenyan shillings. So it means $100. I had told you before also that I used to have my fridge, the first one, and I think that one I bought at 18,000 or 16,000. So I made sure that I sold it because it was 125 liters, and then my food were getting spoiled because I was storing a lot, especially those days that you had to, corona. So I was too scared, so I was storing a lot, and now the space was not enough. So I decided to sell it. I sold it at 16,000 and then bought this one. This one is big, so I will show you how it looks. 10,000 Kenyan shillings, and now I am comfortable. So I've just cleaned it. How it looks, it has two doors, the down one, and iko na ghorofa ya chini na ya juu. So I bought this one at 10,000 shillings. So I have just washed it here. Yes, now I want to arrange my things inside. Should I really buy it or not? Because it was color white, and I really like fridge that are gray in color. Excuse my English, I did not go to group of schools. So color gray. So now we can get into it and see how we're going to be arranging stuffs. One of you had suggested the video, and I am doing it. Poleni, those people, spices, poleni sana. I told you, poleni, I just do the video. It is not my fault. Kona kichwa gani? So let's go straight into it and do this. I did a video on where to get second-hand items from Facebook. The groups, I sent them to you. I did the videos different, and I showed some of the samples. So if you're wise, just look for that video, or I can link it up on this video, and then you can also help yourself. So some of the things I'm also planning to buy from those groups still. I cannot go and buy something that is expensive. And I know I can get them somewhere at an affordable price. So let's start. Usually for the fruits, and I'm going to place it here, the usual place. So this is the usual place. And this one is for here. It's for here. So guys, you see those days when the beginning that Corona was there, it's just when I was moving out. It was around March. So I got really scared during that period. I got really scared, and it was not easy, but thank God I was scared. So that's why that's when I was buying second-hand things and moving out. But with time I came to just get used to it, because it is here to stay. So I used to buy a lot of food. I'm just going to show you, even some expired, you understand? So this thing called fear, it is not good. Fear is not good, because I was afraid, and I was even afraid to start doing my business. And I went to live in the interior places in Lower Kabete. So it was not good for me. So I thought, if I live in this place, because it looks like village and all that, yeah, just a serene environment, nice, but too quiet and too far away from the environment. I was like, yeah, so if I'm staying here, you know, corona won't easily come. What? Olisikia wapi? Like at the top, the middle, then the bottom I'm going to put the tomatoes and my apples. So these ones I usually put them here, down here. And these are the ho-hos. Okay, capsicum, the green ones, and here. I also put them down. So the ones that I'm not using, I usually put them in the juala. Well, anyway, in the nylon paper, so I put them down here. How the bottom looks like here. I put here fruits, more fruits, and the reason why I put here is because the down is the freezer. So if down is the freezer, it means there's a lot of cold coming from down. So I'll have, for me to make the fruits like stay for a bit while, I will have to arrange them here, because the higher you go, the hotter it becomes. I don't know who taught us the cooler it becomes in school, but yeah, I know. Yeah, it goes like from this freezer goes as it gets less cold. Ooh. So this is how it looks after I have placed the fruits. Yeah, you'll notice that at the top here I also have fruits, but then I don't like putting mangoes in the fridge, because I think they get, at some point they lose taste. Even these ones, if you put them in the fridge, they start getting old. Nashuva. So here on the sides, at the top, I usually put my eggs. Then here I put juice, and then here something like yogurt or milk, and my tomato sauce. So let's get and see how it will look. So now this is how this section looks like. There and there and boom. So that's it for that part. So we are going to finish this side here. The thing about fridge is that it will save you a lot. In case yeah, you can just make some food in bulk, especially when you have a large family, and then you can also save on gas. It means you're going to store some in there, but yeah, and have the other one. So that's why it is good to have some storage. It will save you some time, energy, and also the energy resources like the gas that you're using, or like something in the freezer. You can always boil beans, vegetables, and put them there. So like me, these vegetables, yeah, you just have this in my bakshishi. So my bakshishi, I put them here. Thing like this, I'll have it for, yeah, I'll have it for some time. I won't bother to be cooking for as long as I don't leave it for too long. Okay? Yeah, so I'll put it here. Why am I talking to myself? The dania, I bought it some, like, is it? When was the last time tulienda kona lini? Yes, I bought them from Kayole. 3 for 20 shillings for 155. Winnie, remind me. I went to Kayole, so I have been storing them, and they still look as fresh as they look right now. Okay. Yeah, so these ones I also store them right down here, because so that they can just sustain the freshness of the dania or the coriander. Yeah, I just remembered, because I'm used to dania, so coriander inakuwa ngumu kusema. I put it down there. So mayonnaise almost done, and tomato paste. I placed them. Yeah, I placed them there. The hot dog and bread, I placed them in this section. Forgotten, mboga ya maziwa, please. Mboga ya maziwa. This is kunde kienyeji. I had left it. Yeah, I just nachukua kidogo kidogo, I eat and move on. And the good thing about the kienyeji vegetables, when you put milk, they stay longer, and the more they stay, the more it gets sweeter. If I am lying, comment down there and tell me, Zach, you are lying. Yeah, but just try it. It looks disgusting on the camera, but in the stomach or on the in the mouth, yo, hey. So this one is my bakshish. I just put it. Faithful hands will lead of me. It's faithful for coconut milk here, good for vegetables and also for beans. Yeah, so this one will stay, yes, right here. This is the final look, and comment down there, let me know what you think about it. So for this way you have an easy access, or you know where or how you can easily get your stuffs. So from here, you know, you can just get the fresh stuffs here, down here. Then from here, mabakshishi. Then from here, the bread, blah blah blah. Yes. Then from here is when you can get your eggs, your drinks, and tomato sauce and all that. So at the bottom, it looks like this. At the bottom also, I'll show you how I usually organize. So down here, gizzard, hot dogs, and burger, brawn, those such things, I put them together at the bottom. And yeah, ice cream as well. Since it was not fitting here, I decided to put it here. And the second floor, or the second whatever staircase, yeah, ice cream. Most of the time I usually put ice cream right here. That I usually put here. Sorry, don't worry about this. Yes, don't worry about this, because I used a lot of energy because the ice was too much. So nowadays I know how to manage. Here I usually put meat or beef on this section, and ice cream, yeah, and some, yeah, just beef most of the time here. Beef, liver, heart here. I put all of them here. So you know, this way it will be easier for me to access. Now here I put chicken liver. Most of the time I do kienyeji, but this one, the broiler one, I use like when I want to do something, like maybe when I want to try making pizza. I make, but not every time, and most of the time I'm lazy. So I guess that's it for that one, and that's my 10K fridge. Yes, and that's it for now. Comment down there, let me know what you think about it. And yeah, so I want to have my ice cream and then have rice. So that's it for today. And please make sure you check out, I had left the links and places where you can get the second-hand items from Facebook. You guys go and check out things. You know, it's hard to like start buying something like a fridge, a new fridge, or a new, like just new stuff. It is really, yeah, it is really hard. So make sure you just go check out. I did a video on it. I don't know, I should link it down there on this video, and so that it can be of help to you. So I hope I have done my part. I hope whoever wanted this video is now happy, but I have stayed for a really long time before doing it. Anyways, thank you very much guys for watching, for always supporting, and please do not forget, we are on our way to 10K subscribers. So make sure you subscribe, and yeah, cheers. Yeah, bye guys, bye.